On the military level.
Oh, White House. From White House to London.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Do not forget to please like and subscribe to the channel for more beautiful content, guys, so that we'll keep you updated when we post a new video on this channel. We are seeing on Davido's O2 Arena concert. I've made a lot of video about this concert. You can go into my description box and check that. Today we have his friends. You know, Davido is good. See, Davido and Niola Badmus are very good friends, and Davido and Zlatan are very good friends too, and Davido and Cubana Chief Prince are very good friends too. These guys flew all the way from Nigeria to support Davido in his concert in London, and this is really a big one. And you can see Shinerambo is here too, and it's more as if it's more of a family. Like, the love is just too much. Even when the show has not started, people are showing love to Obi already, guys. Let me drop the video so that you watch and drop your opinion via the comment box.
On the military level.
Oh, White House. From White House to London.
Straight up. They say people will want fight.
Let's bring official. This is my new girlfriend.
I've got knife.
This is my new girlfriend.
I've bombed.
This is my new text.
Now I say he has to say.
My love. Let's
How you doing, alright?
Bayo! I didn't know you were in town already. What's up, darling? How are you? Hey, sir. What's up, my brother? How you doing?